Meta is reportedly putting some workers onto a 30-day list that gives them a month to find a new role at the company or leave. Wow. You got to find your own job.
Yeah, very dramatic.
I'm like, Will, you have 30 days to find a job in this company. That's weird. You're like, well, I already got one. They're like, no, that one's no good.
It's no good. Later's no good.
Yeah, exactly. The job you have, it's no good. Find another one for yourself or bounce. It's an interesting proposition.
That's a lot of pressure.
Maybe this stuff happens in corporate places where you have tens of thousands of employees. They're just like, I don't even know what you do on a daily basis. Can you show me a better job or take off? It's crazy.
Well, they have so many workers, and it's probably like an influx of people that's trying to figure out where they work in like this new venture of VR.
Where do I work? I don't know where I work.
Like, what am I doing here?
That's a crazy proposition. I'm sure it exists. I'm sure it exists. It's just so funny.
Just eating free breakfast and lunch.
You're just in there. You're like, damn. I wish there was more I could do. What a strange place to find yourself. Oh, I wish I could. What's my job? What is my job? Oh, you really want to have an answer to that, don't you?
Purpose.
I would hope so. I don't know. It seems chaotic. What is my job? Got to go find one in the same company I'm in. I got to go find the job. It only used to impact low performers, but became more widespread. In July, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg said the company plans to shrink several teams over the next year. Meta is slimming its workforce and avoiding a flurry of pink slips by forcing some employees onto a 30-day list that leaves them only a month to find a new role or leave the company if their department is downsized or eliminated. But how can they really do that? That's not like firing them, right? You want them to quit, essentially. I guess there's some probably corporate advantage to people just deciding to leave on their own as opposed to having to fire them. You would prefer them to move on if they don't have a meaningful role.
Yeah, no severance package or anything.
Yeah, they're trying to get rid of people. Instead of terminating employees outright, the company gives some workers whose roles have been eliminated a month-long purgatory period to apply to different jobs within Meta. The publication reported, citing sources familiar with the issue. I don't know, maybe that's okay. They're like, hey, you're going to get fired anyways. 30 days to figure out if there's a spot for you elsewhere. Isn't that so strange, though? You're applying in your own... That's how big these companies are, Will.
It's like, we don't know what to do with you, but hurry up.
Apply for a job elsewhere in this company, and hopefully you get hired for that job, and then you remain here. Otherwise, see you later. Wild.
Yeah, we'll see.
Good luck to everybody involved.